Let us continue exercise of lesson number 4, measurement of matter. Question number 5. Write the names of following compounds and deduce their molecular masses. First compound is sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Second compound is potassium carbonate, K2CO3. Third compound is CO2, carbon dioxide. Fourth one is MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Fifth one is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sixth one is AlPO4, aluminium phosphate. And last one is NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Now we will calculate molecular masses of all these compounds in next slide. Here is the chart which shows compound, constituent elements, atomic mass, atoms in molecules, and last column shows molecular mass. Let us start with example 1, sodium sulfate. Constituent elements are sodium, sulfur and oxygen. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now, number of atoms in molecule. If you look at the chemical formula of compound Na2SO4, you will see there are 2 atoms of sodium, single atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen taking part in formation of the compound Na2SO4. So, in last column, atomic mass is multiplied by number of constituent atoms. 23 is multiplied by 2, then 32 is multiplied by 1 and 16 atomic mass of oxygen is multiplied by number of oxygen atom and it is 4 here. So 23 multiplied by 2 is 46, 32 multiplied by 1 is 32 and 16 multiplied by 4 is 64 and molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of the constituent atoms. So if you add 46, 32 and 64 together, you will get 142 grams as a molecular mass of sodium sulfate. 142 Dalton and 142 grams are the two units which helps to express molecular mass of the compound. Both the units are correct. 142 Dalton, 142 U or 142 grams. Now let us go ahead. Next compound is potassium carbonate, K2CO3. Constituent atoms are potassium, carbon and oxygen. Atomic mass of potassium is 39. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Oxygen has atomic mass 16. Now there are 2 atoms of potassium, 1 single atom of carbon and 3 oxygen atom present in potassium carbonate. Is it clear to you? 2 atoms of potassium, single atom of carbon and 3 atoms of oxygen. Here it is mentioned. Now atomic mass is multiplied by number of atoms. 39 is the atomic mass of potassium multiplied by number of potassium atom and that is 2. Then 12 is the atomic mass of carbon and it is multiplied by number of carbon atom and here it is 1. 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen and number of oxygen atoms are 3. So we will get 39 multiplied by 2 is 78. 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 and 16 is multiplied by 3 and it is equal to 48. And molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of constituent elements. So 78 plus 12 plus 48 is equal to 138 grams or 138 Dalton. And this is the molecular mass of potassium carbonate. Next compound is CO2, carbon dioxide. Constituent elements are carbon and oxygen. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Number of constituent atoms, here it is clearly seen, single carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms are present in carbon dioxide. So atomic mass is multiplied by number of atoms. 12 is multiplied by 1 and 16 is multiplied by 2. So 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 and 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. And if we add atomic masses together of both carbon and oxygen, we will get 44 grams or 44 Dalton as the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Next compound is magnesium chloride. Constituent elements are magnesium and chlorine. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24 and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. In MgCl2 there is a single atom of magnesium and 2 chlorine atoms. Now 24 atomic mass of magnesium is multiplied by number of magnesium atom. 24 multiplied by 1 is 24. 35.5 is the atomic mass of chlorine and it is multiplied by number of atoms of chlorine, and here it is 2. 35.5 multiplied by 2 is 71 and 71 plus 24 gives you 95 grams or 95 Dalton as molecular mass of magnesium chloride. Next compound is sodium hydroxide. Constituent elements are sodium, oxygen, hydrogen. Atomic mass of sodium is 23, oxygen has atomic mass 16 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. In sodium hydroxide, number of sodium atom 1, oxygen is 1 and hydrogen is also 1. So in NaOH, 3 constituent elements are present and their number of atoms are 1 each. Now atomic mass is multiplied by number of atoms in molecule. 23 multiplied by 1 is 23, 16 multiplied by 1 is 16 and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And 23 plus 16 plus 1 is 40 grams or 40 Dalton is the molecular mass of sodium hydroxide NaOH. Next molecule is aluminium phosphate. Constituent elements are aluminium, phosphorus, oxygen. Aluminium has atomic mass 27, phosphorus has atomic mass 31 and oxygen has atomic mass 16. In AlPO4, constituent elements are aluminium, phosphorus and oxygen and their number of atoms are aluminium 1, phosphorus 1 and 4 atoms of oxygen. Now atomic mass is multiplied by number of atoms. 27 multiplied by 1 is 27, 31 is multiplied by 1 is 31, 16 is multiplied by 4, that is equal to 64. Now add all these atomic masses of constituent elements. 27 plus 31 plus 64 is equal to 122 grams or 122 Dalton is the molecular mass of aluminium phosphate. Last compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Constituent elements are sodium, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. Atomic mass of sodium is 23, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, carbon has atomic mass 12 and oxygen has atomic mass 16. In sodium hydrogen carbonate, number of sodium atom 1, hydrogen atom one carbon single atom, and there are 3 oxygen atoms present in sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now 23 is multiplied by 1, and that is equal to 23. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 12 multiplied by 1 is 12, and 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. Now add all these atomic masses together. 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 48 is equal to 84 grams, or 84 Dalton is the molecular mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate. I think everyone has understood clearly how to calculate molecular mass of compound.